They're amazing. Our building was built in 1972, and our entire unit was mired in 1972 because the person we bought it from had done absolutely nothing to it. So we've been doing a lot of renovations on our own, but one of the main renovations, of course, was replacing the windows with the impact windows and the requirements for the engineering and the installation being a certain way. I figured we'd better get somebody professional in to do it, even though my wife and I have done them at home in Canada. I thought it was a better idea that we should get somebody in to do it, and we're absolutely thrilled with the results. There's a couple of things. That one thing we noticed right off the top is as the guys replaced the windows, that particular room seemed to get quieter. The older windows basically rattled in their frames, were coming off their tracks, and had absolutely no noise deadening capacity whatsoever. The sound just went right through them. After the guys left and we closed the windows and doors, there was a very significant difference in the noise attenuation. The street noises, the traffic noises were down by a factor of at least 5, I would say. The other thing we really like about it is they're airtight. They're double glazed low E, which means the heat, well, in Canada it's heat lost, here it's heat gain. So the place stays cool. We set the air conditioning at 72 or 73, it stays at 72 or 73. Before we had hot spots and cold spots because some windows were tighter than others, and now they're all perfect. The crew was great. They were very professional. They were here on time. They had one young lad going ahead taking the old ones out, and the other guys coming behind putting the new ones in. And it was hot that day. It was rude hot that day. And they took one short break at lunch, and by I think the 3 o'clock in the afternoon they were wrapping up. And we walked around, had a look at all the windows after when they were getting ready to leave, and everything looked great. And they haven't looked back since.